Good morning all of you. Today we are going to see nature cure treatment for Pitta disease. In traditional Tamil medicine, there are 40 types of Pitta disease. Pitta means heat. The disease which is created because of the overheat in the body. It occurs mainly in summertime. And now we are going to see a therapy for neer surukku, urinary burning and urinary infections because of overheat in the body. In this hot summer, many people they suffer from this urinary infections and urinary burning sensation after passing the urine. For this, a simple traditional Tamil medicine which we use in Tamil Nadu is this calcium paste. Calcium paste na sunambu. This calcium paste is available in all betel shops all over the India. It is very easily available, but it has lot of medical properties and an first aid emergency kit. In our traditional India, specifically in South India, Tamil Nadu, this is one of the ingredient for the first aid. Any insect bite, they used to keep this calcium paste on the mouth of the insect bite and they will relieve the poison. Like that, there are a lot of many uses using that, but today we are going to see how to cool our body using this calcium paste and get relieved out of the neer surukku, which is called as urinary infections or a burning sensation in the urinary tract, all problems related to this genitals because of the overheat in the body. So, what is the process? It's very simple. You have to apply this calcium paste on the two nails of your legs. See, you have to take this calcium paste and apply it on your big toe nail. When you go to sleep at the night, you can put this both legs. And when your body is overheated, still it is not cooling, you can apply the calcium paste on your nails of the thumb. It seems to be very simple, but the next day or within 2 hours, you can feel there is a great improvement and relief from urinary itching and urinary burning sensation, urinary infections. This is very simple remedy, home remedy, just applying the calcium paste on the nails of the big toe and your thumbs. When you go to sleep, just apply it, go to sleep. Or if you have a severe problem, in daytime also you can do but you have to take rest after applying this, at least for 1 hour, and you can immediately get relieved out of this burning sensation and this neer surukku. This nature cure remedy is very effective. Try it. It will be very useful for you in this hot summer. Thank you.